Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys Infinix phone setting guys, and today video title is guys how can we increase font size in Infinix phone device. Friends, you want to increase guys your font size, so how can you increase? Today friends I will show you, I will tell you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, now let's see how can we increase Infinix phone guys font size. So guys we will on our phone setting. After on phone setting guys we will search here guys font setting. So guys we will search here guys font setting and guys search here. So friends you can see guys your font size guys, we will tap here. So friends you can increase guys your font size from here. Friends you can see the default, you want to increase into default, and guys you want to increase into large size. So guys we will click on to large size and friends come back. Friends you can see font size will increase guys, you can see we have this new font size. So like that guys you can increase guys your infinite phone guys font size. So bye bye guys, thanks for watching the video.